Manipur remembers historic Nupilal. Chief Minister N. Biren calls for another Nupilal movement to save Manipur society, especially men folks from drug abuse. Manipur women, including those around 90 years of age, commemorate Nupilal movement by participating in marathon on 80th Nupilal Day today. Federation of Haumi President Sapam Jadumani says non-Manipuris already residing in Manipur should get necessary permit to stay in the state under inner line permit system. And Muslim Council Manipur President Haji Arafat Ali says there is no bifurcation of all Manipur Muslim Organizations Coordinating Committee, and SM Jalal is still Amokok President. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur today paid rich tributes to those brave Manipuri women who opposed the indiscriminate export of rice from Manipur by businessmen with the support of the British government. The 80th state-level Nupilal commemorative event was held at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren mulled over the need for another Nupilal to save Manipur society, especially the men folks from drug abuse. He expressed disappointment at the rising rate of intoxicant abuse by people in the state to kickstart their day, and at the rising rate of intoxicant abuse even at schools and colleges. Biren said it is high time for the government and the public to join force to wipe out drug menace, which is a major issue of the state. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren stated that with the relentless collective efforts of the state government, security forces, people and civil society organizations, inner line permit system has been implemented in Manipur, and for which the Citizenship Amendment Bill won't be applicable in the state. The Chief Minister said one major issue awaiting the state is the Naga peace talks final settlement. He stressed the need for the people of various communities who have been coexisting in the state since time immemorial to unite together and to take a joint resolution to be forwarded to the center. He said the center will never sideline any such collective decision. He appeals to people and CSOs to cooperate with the government. Chief Minister Biren also stressed the need to hold Nupilal observance at a suitable location where the public, CSOs and the government can all take part. The Chief Minister led people in offering tributes to those brave women who fought gallantly against the monopolistic policies of the colonial rule in 1904 and 1939 at the observance. A drama named Nupilal was also showcased at the commemorative event.
yamna collective oiba approach sama Manipur da sangi irai lai thokna ra kalai buna taba handak yengo citizen amendment bill pass tawni haibada koi kanagi chingi tangi nupi nupa adagi civil society government laiba forces pullaga takna badu na ngase koi ani thona kana re gap ama exam tore ILP su phang hore koi Manipur gi nupi singi top sacrifice matik magun shri koina ai gamba mana tharaga oiroi ngasi su angakpani 21st century gi competition yam kallaba matam sida Manipur gi nupina all India gi na mangjin thaba hiram khaya leigre yugi maroina country liquors machine ai khogi nupa sing da piri ba saithiang mayam se adu nupa da pi ba saithiang ase nupa du di sigre le hauri ba magi masa masu magi nupi du na oi hauri ba amadi oi hauga da madu gi abastra magi family du gi magi future du gi khalla ka da koi prevent do ma thuk tai.
Taking part in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar asserted that women folks have been spearheading and taking immense responsibilities at par with men folks in facing various issues of the state since the early days. He urged everyone to know the significance of Nupilal observance and to strive to instill patriotism among the upcoming generations.
Manipuri society is the Nupina hena mangjin tana aduga hena important oiba role lobna ayamba matamda society si kannaba aduga even Manipuri nupa singsu kannabigi adugumai thodangse ayamatam lor lae nei admai thamjage masida koi amrom nai tagedi koi society kanma targedi amrom da nupa mayam singsu kandabe adaba adugumai wakhalo namasu soina pomgane ne khali nupi mayam logiba adugumai thodang do kaudana ba haina masi iskuma numit sida koi thona parbi ima sing adu amona nimsing si amona moida sadanjali neli katsi aduga moina kathokiba aduga moina kanodo nubele baki damukta khangiba miyang khanbado akoi ningsing aga akoi su mokoi gi matau tamjarga koi miyang gi damukta yaipana koi khansi
28 state-level Nupilal Memorial Run participated by elderly women around 90 years of age was held today on the auspicious occasion of the 80th Nupilal Numit 2019. Participants appeals to women folks in the state to strive for a healthy life and to courageously face various issues for a better tomorrow. State-level Nupilal Ningsing Lamjel Organizing Committee organized the event, which kicked off from Nupilal Memorial Complex and concluded at Singjamai Supermarket, where a memorial event was organized. Women folks from various communities of Manipur adorned in traditional attires took part in the run. In the 35 to 45 years category, Ningombam Sunita from Khabam, Maibam Romita from Nongpok Sekmai and Kangabam Sunita from Thiam Khonjil bagged first, second and third positions respectively. In 46 to 59 years category, Chandam Thoibi and Paunam Indira from Takiel Khongban bagged the first and second position respectively, while Naurem Randhoni from Kakching bagged the third position. In the above 60 years category, Thokchom Ibemhal from Khongjom, Thaudam Akashini from Wangoi and Ahaibam Memcha from Chajing bagged the first, second and third positions respectively.
Chamula Laban Tanan B. Debbie, Nell 80 I said, saying I had a bit I get a high at the car. The Angangwing, the gate, I could habit, and the gate like or tiny, Kong is a habit, Kong at Tumtapa, at the kitchen bar, at my tongue 90 days could light them, but I don't that's who I don't hang a corner that the gate, Jen back at that Pagatum Handula about. At the game, a college car, not done that you, I don't hang at them.
Mingji Biman Gokje. Honaba kanba akoigi hakchang sajing kana to honaba adi sara ka tummaga leitaba phamma sara tumma leiba mido adudi akoigi isada ji am solokani
chana cham thoibi asyaw na khanbadi koire ba ko so yaw yaw phangda ba ka se phangda na handak ti phang ba du da yaw rei ne handak na hamba ne
pauna mindira tael khongban ai di sahi khuding gi yaw re ba hakum na kano phasta ye hadamuk na inam ma je aina horokpa mana phasta re ibani chen kita yam nak chen na chen min ra pai ta re khangde maitai ni pi gi thongna je mayang asong pa na ra ga sune ko khoi gi ngamna ba sakti nong sa gi ta dam lo he ba ko
ai gi mingdi randoni ko we kasing da gi ne yumnak ki naurem ne yumnak na handak ka yauri se ani ro subane na lamu mamang da di tare subatai hanang na ahum subatai asmaina yaw ba se ai di ai gi punsi sina lei ba mi di pilan jen se yaw ge haina dum khalle le pe
ai ya kasini ka we chidi nupilan ja pha second gi wafam natana ima leiba ki damakta icha isu jingja kalhong da ba yade mama akoi na khut thang ka tarabadi icha jingja charak tam gi dare haidana tholokon
I Ahaibam Memsa, Lilong Chajing Chikong Dakin. Laibaks the Langi by Irang, Tauriba, Ningbatung, Masung Tung the Bakaya, Masulere, Masigi, Nungaitava Mamse, Nupi, Mama, Mawena, Quena, Taudang, luxury Hiraga. I quit am tongue Hibagi Wakalon the net, Toxera in Koibu.
ai mi em malangambi alliance tondam ngombi nalini debi ada hadakin pilan lamjen se koi maiba ma lamjen se bangam de haidna ai lamjen se phastani na jelak pana te ai nu pilan ge ese campaigner na sahi kudingi lamjen thabani ai drama yawbani bakimnan sarma sabani sahi kudingi drama se ai ne ijarakani pabung khel chanda dagi tha hum chalaga ado yam nungai na koina chelai mi lising amaga chahum longge manungda ai sani ga trama thebok ta bangam gi ai sahi 71 year old age pension ni.
Secretary of Communist Party of India, CPI, Manipur State Council, L. Sotin Kumar, led people in paying floral tributes to the statue of Abok Shabi at Eco Green Park Ishika on 80th Nupilal Memorial Day today. Secretary of Indian Association of Lawyers Manipur Chapter K.H. Samungao and many people took part in the event. NEIDP Manipur State Unit also observed the 80th Nupilal Numit 2019 at its office in Tera today. Speaking on the occasion, President of NEIDP Manipur State Unit, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, lauded the tremendous and exemplary roles taken by women of the state. He expressed gratitude for their immense contributions to the society. Members of the unit paid floral tributes to the portraits of the late brave-hearted women of the state at the event.
Nupisi ki thaudang yamna chawi Manipur ki samaj da aduna nupisi ungbo aikoina matam punamakta aikoina bibhar tawam thoi adu maru oina ngasi gi numit asi gi ningsangaga haukraba matam maduda 1939 ngasi sahi marifu sure madudida nunga khraba ahal mayam do madu leadership role lobirama mayam do akhoi mayam punamakki ningsingbo oina ngasi aikoina asi tarik 32 December sida nupi lal day asi observe to.
All Manipur Democratic Women's Association along with Women's Welfare Association Mayang Imphal also held the 80th Nupilal commemorative event at Mayang Imphal Thana Wangkai Lekai today. Women's Welfare Association Mayang Imphal also held its 23rd Foundation Day and Women All Race marked the occasion. General Secretary of Indian National Trade Union Congress Manipur Y. Rana Pratap, CWFI National Secretary K.S. H. Shanta, KSA President N. Chitan, President of Women's Welfare Association, Mayang Imphal, Y. Sadhana, and many people took part in the event. Speaking on the occasion, AMDWA Secretary A. Ashalata expressed disappointment over the low participation of women in decision-making on issues facing the state. She urged the women folk to be responsible and dedicated. She also urged the people to be realistic about the merits of ILP system implementation in the state. Ashalata condemned Mayang Imphal Police Station OC for allegedly prohibiting them from holding the event in the area as by Chief Minister Nongthong Bombiren.
Si aikoina Manipur suba nupilan thoram sida pangthokani haidana ayukte ngara handagi walingai dagi baton chatana honajare aduga ngasi Mayang Imphal osina laaga nupilan thoram pangthokpa yaroi di sidagi permit laubra khoi CM dagi kainona athingba thami aduna program ase thinggadabani haidana ayuktagi thingjan bidana aikogi ngan haugadaba program se haubangam jadadana mayam ama question senaraga aikoji pung 12 tarbasi bawa khoi program haubangamdre haiba si karigi damakta nu haiba Aikoigi itiasik oiraba thoram amabu aikoina palon tawjaba singsida karigidamakta no haiba makoina athingba thambire isi.
The 80th state-level Nupilal commemorative event was also held at Kashampad Yumjao Lairambi Hall today. Nupilal Observation Committee, a conglomerate of 10 organizations, namely Amkil Kanglamei Poirei Laimerol, Chituwa Amawova, Nupi Samaj, Tammi Chingmi, Mepwa KWWA and WWOK organized the event. Attendees commended the valiant and inspirational roles of the brave women of the state at the event.
Manipur lipat ngap tu nasunai dah abani. Apa fataba, nungai taba, pun nama si ima kui mayam sina. Semaina thau pura lagi bani. Wasi pawatak atak panitana, kep nitana kui nama Manipur sana lipat ngap tu naliri. Naroi na Manipur kai bayaroi, integrity of Manipur sukai kai bayaroi.
Ningol Club Hairok also observed the 88th state-level Nupilal Day at Hairok Part 3, Champrathong, Maning today. Speaking on the occasion, President of Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol CADA, Manipur Hijam Priyo Kumar stressed on the need for third Nupilal movement to solve the prevailing issues in the state. League of Kalo Patriot LCP paid homage to one of the leaders of Nupilal movement, Tongbram Shabi, at her tomb at Wangkai Ningthem Pukri Mapal on 80th Nupilal Day today. Corporator of Yai School Kendra Ward number 20, Lukrakpam Tombi, member Athokpam Bobby and Dr. Athokpam Khol Chandra attended the event.
ꯖꯣꯜ ꯁꯝꯕꯟꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯩꯗ ꯀꯨꯝꯗꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯕꯨꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ
Nupilal commemoration events were also held at various places in Thoubal district today. MMRC and Unity Park organized a memorial event at the park in Kangabok. Thoubal, Ningombam Apunba Nupilup, NIYC, NYPC, NUYC and SDC Ningombam Thoubal organized the event at Ningombam Sanakaitel. Eightieth Nupilal Day was also observed at Ima Kondong Lairembi Haraubung in More today. Kha Nongpok Apunba Nupi Loop More, Nupi Khunai Chaukat Lamjing Loop, Minority Women Development Society and Muslim Women Development Association jointly organized the event. Attendees paid tributes to the brave mothers of the Nupi Lal movement. SBI Imphal branch also observed 80th Nupilal Day today. Bank staffs paid rich tributes to the brave-hearted mothers who fought armless against the mighty British at the event. Chanuram Marub, a branch of Manipur People's Party, also observed 80th Nupilal Day at MPP office today. Party members and many Chanuram members from various constituencies took part in the event. All Manipur Nupi Marub also observed 80th Nupilal Day at Kweramban Temporary Market today. Taking part in the event, Secretary of Manipur Kaitel Nupi Marub, El Mema, said that the event was held in reverence to those women folk who took valiant roles to protect the state. She for want of another Nupilal movement if the final settlement of Naga peace talks ever disintegrate the state. She also extended full solidarity to all the initiatives of various civil society organizations of the state against CAP.
Koise sangsala humpule roadside vendor welfare association haibama Manipur Kaitel Nupi Marup haibama all ahumji thanaba yadaba ahumji pulisi karigino haiba question lama myam da khangning laine ba atai na te khoi khaidel sigi kalakpa matam da all Manipur Nupi Marup sina achoba thogdang logi banina moi ga khoi ga se ponna mafam sida ngasi di khoi gi oiraiba khoi gi ngasi gi oiraiba situation sing sida ajo khoi gi nupi myam ama punjhal laga ai masi tangai phadana koi punchal laga thabak se palon se tawdaba yadre haidana ai na chap chana lepnaraga mafam sida koi palon se taw.
Socialist Student Union of Manipur SSUM also observed 80th Nupilal Day at the union's head office at Takelambam Laikai, Sega Road today. Manipur Nupi Samaj, Churachandpur and Meitei Society Churachandpur also jointly held Nupilal Memorial event in Churachandpur district today. A run also kicked off from Churachandpur Peace Ground till MSO office in Khuga Tampak to mark the day. The run was divided into three categories of 30 to 40 years, 40 to 50 years and 50 to 60 years. Winners of the run were felicitated with cash award and certificates. Eightieth Nupilal commemorative event was also held in Jiribam district today. AJMP, Jimwalk, WWOK, Wasit and Amwova jointly organized the event at All Jiribam Maira Paibi Shanglen in Babupara, Jiribam. Winners of yesterday's Nupilal Memorial Run were also felicitated on the occasion. All Wangu Senior Citizen Welfare Association, Wangu O Development Committee and Students Association JSA of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science, JENIMS, also jointly observed 80th Nupilal Memorial Day today by holding one-day health camp cum awareness program at Wangu Laifam Community Health Center in Kakching district. 20 doctors and 20 MBBS students checked up around 450 people and provided them with free medications at the camp. President of Federation of Haumi, Sapamcha Jadumani, has stated that non-Manipuris who have been residing in the state for a long time should get a necessary permit and they cannot own lands in the state anymore with the implementation of inner line permit system under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation Act 1873. Jadumani was speaking to Impact News on the sidelines of a reception program organized by WhatsApp group We Support ILP in appreciation for his role for implementation of ILPS in Manipur, held at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking further, Sapam Jadumani, who is also the convener of the WhatsApp group We Support ILP, said that ILP system is the best option for Manipur as the Manipur People Bill 2018 has many loopholes. He said that as per the Manipur People Bill 2018, with its base year as 1951, it makes way for considering those outsiders who came to Manipur before 1951 to be called as natives.
I bani I pam logzaro have suge yaro I queen lady have yaro nang pam yoga ni no am tawneva aduna logam thokte ga sai pam pipi on kuchin cherga ma pam logneva deport to have se masi leiro aduna moi masana outsider in tit tawganeva Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal Pradesh chaliba mapung ba kamai to na tawri business sector na kari piri adagi employment sector na kari piri land system na kai dauri aduga mo politically kai dauri maram in any person na mapane laga electoral roll salaro moi bhole padi decision la ani moi lamdai bi yaro mayam lakaneba adu mayam singdo nagare na kai saneri Mizoram na kai Arunachal Pradesh kai saneri moi poto copy to batai.
Responding to Impact News queries, Sapamcha Jadumani said it is the responsibility of the state government to include certain elements in the ILP system to suit Manipur. He said those outsiders who have been staying in the state for a long period cannot own properties and they will be automatically considered as outsiders under the permit system. He appeals to the state government to study the elements of ILP system in other states to make necessary amendments in the guidelines under the system to suit Manipur.
Government ki duty oi re bujikti mokoi ne semje ka thabang ne ba ai khoi civil society organization ki di Manipur ki long protection tawna na bidong ta aso wo movement na tawra kanda masi government sina ba ne sumna taw bi yelong bi kan bi yo point sing option bi ha bese bese ko hai bata ba ni point sing di already done ato pa de lei kheba hojing dukan phami sing che akoi mitop na gi maming de phamaro he ba akoi no provider ore ne ba akoi makaro pham ga dong ne ba adun business sector de da moina akoi gi Nagaland kamai tawri se moi gami se yem bi tai len lo lei natra asam gi len lo khoi puri akoi se mayam semdu idana like that mi sana ba akoi semdu ka na akoi he ne sport ba he na phajawa ma akoi sem ta ba ni gami gi
Federation in a press release expressed distrust that implementation of ILP system will exempt the state from CAB and stop influx of migrants. Foreign Affairs and Defense Minister of the Jury Government of Manipur, the Manipur State Council, Naringbam Samarjit, said that the Indian government is unaware of the acts, laws and orders of the colonial era by implementing inner line permit system in Manipur. Naringbam Samarjit in a press release said that Manipur was excluded from the Empire of India by His Majesty after ordering council passed the order under the Government of India Act 1935 on December 27, 1946. He said Manipur was once a sovereign state with its own permit and passport system. He also mentioned that the de jure government has forwarded official and legal statements concerning the same to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he opined that the Constitution of India needs amendment. Muslim Council Manipur President cum convener of 12 various Muslim organizations, Haji Arafat Ali, has clarified that there is no question of bifurcation of all Manipur Muslim organizations coordinating committee Amokok and that SM Jalal is still the president of Amokok. He also said that two-day international convention under Amokok President SM Jalal will be held at City Convention Center in the near future. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Haji Arafat Ali said SM Jalal was appointed as Amokok president during a special general body meeting held on November 23, attended by Jamiatul Ulema president and secretary. He also clarified that there is no joint reformation committee of Amokok.
amukokna amadi amukokal chaminariba akhoi organization taragani thoisina punchalaga honajribasida mayamna tongan amukokdagi lapthuaga amukokni ai amukoi anybody amukok oi bibi hai aduga aidi amukokni haraga amukoki leijeriba structure president under the presidentship jalangi kaino sida mimangda akoi ikai ba yaba state sida akoi masen sida hunnabagi thabak sima ai MCM gi magedigi amadi organization tarangi ni thoi mayam gi muhut sinjaraga convener amoina ina mayam da nixing jabo loinana appeal tawjari akoi masenge nuksinaba internet any dispute matter leram bi ai madu akoi correction tawminaraga amukok to mainstream da thambiraga mayam do praja mayam da lana lahol loisi.
Student unions under DM University have warned of carrying out intense agitations if they arrested members of All Manipur Students Union, AMSU, and other student organizations were not released unconditionally in 24 hours. It may be mentioned that Manipur police arrested the members during their agitations against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Speaking to media at DM College of Arts today, General Secretary of GP Women College, Khongbantabam Anjali, strongly condemned the state government's act of arresting the students as cowardly acts. She warned of even boycotting college semester examination if the arrested students were not released unconditionally at the earliest. Anjali urged the public to comprehend the difference between ILPS and CAB. She appeals to everyone to unite against the bill, which is a threat to the natives of the northeast states. Meanwhile, members of the student unions under DM University also condoles the death of a girl student of Dibrugarh University in Assam who passed away during CAB protest and many students who sustained severe injuries during the movement.
Manipur police na MSU gi thomi singbu phaga dagari koitan tanariba amasung MSU gi thomi singgi mayum da chang duna imung singi mioi singda kihan khangan ba toriba ase police personnel singi khwaidagi pangdaba thawongni mase khudakta lepi gadabani amasung thomi sing asibu tongan da police station na tongan da ek pansilaga phajiliba ase khudakta Thadok Pigadabani, Punkumargi Manunda condition amata yaudabida, Thadok Pigadabani, Karigumba Thadok the Bataragadi, Manipur Lariba, Coles, Mayamasina, Choba Kongama Sanslakani, Iram Damasigi, El Homi, Kanbagi, Choba Todang Loriba, Luching Bashing, Ashibu, Hazilaga Ihawas and Namtagani Habadudik, I don't know, I talk by Yara.
Women members of AMSU stormed Imphal police station demanding the police to arrest them if the arrested members of AMSU were not going to be released unconditionally. The agitation took place at around 3:30 p.m. today. Imphal West police personnel who were on duty halted the agitators from entering the police station. Later, 3 protesters were allowed to meet with SP Imphal West. Taking part in the protest, AMSU Imphal West Vice President P. Nongpok Nganbi condemned the police for arresting AMSU members during the recent anti-cap stir. She said they took out the protest as the government has failed to fulfill their yesterday's demand for the unconditional release of the arrested members within 24 hours.
Ngasigi paliba government sina prasingi apambagi mayokta leirakbasidai makta satra khunai oiba khoi kaya na mokhoigi mayokta irang hobidama karigi damakta irang horiba no haidana satra singbu yeknabagum ayung ungthinundang naidagi phabibase simaram chade sumaina sum nungtigi sumaina sum satra sing phabido oirabgadi ngasi manipur khunai da leiba satra mahiroi nupi oibe khoichu phajanbiro asengnama akhoina changjaliba ihausidi mokhoigi saruksu yauribane ba akhoi khaki satra khoi khara khatagi natte aduna ngasigi paliba government na apangba sibagum ILP pass tawre hairaga ke pass tawba yanabagi damak tawbase
Other students of the state have also demanded unconditional release of the arrested AMSU members. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area in Imphal today, the students warned of intense agitations if the arrested members were not released at the earliest. Maira Paibis of Jiribam carried out protest demonstrations demanding unconditional release of the arrested students at Jakura Dhor Karong of Barak Circle in Jiribam district. Various placards were displayed during the protest. President of Manipur University Student Union MUSU, Kaisham Lebanon, has urged to declare the recruitment result for the post of Registrar of Manipur University at the earliest. Speaking to media at MUSU office in the university campus today, Lebanon said that interview for the post of Registrar was held on October 21st this year. He said the results for other posts of various departments held within November 30 were already declared yesterday at an EC meeting, but the recruitment result for the registrar post has been shelved as per an order of the MHRD. He said appointment letters for the other posts should be withheld until the result of the set post is declared. Lebanon also warned not to hold the academic council meeting scheduled for tomorrow.
BC su huzik leiribasi akoi administrator akoi sar general sing BC in charge suina leibibani aduga registrar su in charge suina leiri post ke ama in charge suina leibasina akoi university asida UGC dagi funding ke ama laktabagi aduga university si yamna tawtharakpagi maram am oirakpana press conference si koina kaujabani haiba interview si lauthokdaba taragadi hayeng date 13 asida phamgadoriba academic council asisu Manipur University Students Union gi maikai dagi boycott tawjagani.
Family members of a man accused of committing multiple sexual assault on a 60-year-old girl child are allegedly harassing the victim's family. Mother of the victim has appealed to the relevant authorities and civil society organizations to extend necessary assistance in acquiring justice for her daughter. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, mother of the victim said that the accused is being kept at juvenile home following complaints filed at Lamphel Women Police Station. She said necessary medical examinations of the victim proved multiple sexual assault. She said her daughter is extremely traumatized by the incidents and is even scared of seeing doctors and police. Mother of the victim appeals to people to extend support in bringing justice for her child.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯇꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯂꯝꯈꯥꯡ ꯆꯠꯄꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯀꯟ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯟꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯥꯡꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯃꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅ ꯀꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯃꯟꯈꯤꯕꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯖꯁꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯌꯟ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯇꯣꯜꯂꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯣ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ.
Moving ahead, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Kabui Salang Maiba Memorial Event 2019. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur organized Kabui Salang Maiba Memorial Events 2019 at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall today. Speaking at the event, President of Kabui Dharma Sabha Manipur, Dr. D.L. Kabui, recalls the stories of how Kabui Salang Maiba brought up Khamba and Khamnu after the deaths of their father Puremba and their mother Ngangkhai Lema. The event was held on the theme Kabui Salang Maiba's Ideologies for the Modern Generation. President of Manipur Culture Integration Conference, Aribam Brajakumar Sharma, Brahmakumari's Manipur in charge, Raj Yogini, Brahmakumari Nilima, and other eminent persons attended the event.
Kabui Salang Maiba Kambagi Thawai Korokdana Hinanjiba Sishu Amen. Asiku Bathawai Koksimbagi Laithaw Asi Kabui Jati Nasi Sani. Kabui Salang Maiba Layam Patata Pum Sudnai Haibidi Lai Punamaki Nithaw Lai Nithaw Lakam Kuya Sat Karaba Thawai Korokba Atama Masakamba Laiwana Layamba Sagina Pumata Hidala Sinjana Layamba Amasum Kudi Shuba ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ.
An awareness come workshop on Bharti Infratel Scholarship Program and career counseling exclusively for differently abled students was held at the campus of Spastic Society of Manipur in Langtabal Kunja Tapokpi Bazaar today. Spastic Society of Manipur, in collaboration with Sishu Sarodhi, Guwahati, organized the event under Bharti Infratel Scholarship Program. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Spastic Society of Manipur, Laishram Tokendra Riki, said that educational expenses of differently abled students right from passing class 11 till the higher studies can be reimbursed under Bharti Infratel Scholarship Program. He said differently abled research scholars and students pursuing medical studies from Manipur have been granted scholarships under the program. Advocate of Manipur State Legal Service Authority, Asha Purna Devi, stressed on Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, while business consultant analyst Dipti Kumar Saugaijam gave resourceful insights on career counseling and need of soft skills at the workshop. Administrator of Manipur University, Jarnail Singh, and State Commissioner of Persons with Disabilities Manipur, Dr. Kumarjit, graced the event.
Students with disabilities, Dr. Tambani Leire Manipur, PhD Tobacco, JRF Fawa, the MA Toba, BA Toba Mayama Yauri, and Masiki scholarships in Namakoy, the Changi work in Washington, reimbursed Togadova, Aduguma program money, Mamang Sahida, Nordisk Yoina, Sam 96 Kenotoba Manunda Manipur, Dagi, Kunipan, 28 students with disabilities, na Sigi scholarships Hangi. When Masidayam Nunga Jabdi, Aquina disability sectors, Hana, the Amna person with disabilities. Singse yumdagi puthoktada na yamna marginalize adumaina miyeng amada handaba mongda yengamada hojekti MCS phawa MFS phawa adugumba hoju contribute to ngami haiba si hojik yam slowly keno sanction lei.
Baby talent show and rally were held today under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. Wankai MLA Okram Henry, Imphal East DC, Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom, President of World United Youth Club, Ningthau Khonjam, Babu, and many people attended the event. District Administration Imphal East and Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDSL Imphal East District Program Officer DPO jointly organized the event at the World United Youth Club in Wankai Angom Lekai. Song, poetry recitation, and dance competition for girls marked the event. Speaking on the occasion, Wankai MLA Henry Okram appreciated the event held under Imphal East DC to empower women. He also assured of necessary assistance in uplifting the women's section. Imphal East ICDS DPO L Indira said as per 2001 census, there is a sharp decline in the child sex ratio CSR, defined as number of girls per 1,000 of boys between 0 to 6 years of age. She said Prime Minister Narendra Modi initiated Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign in 2005 to generate awareness and improve the efficiency of various services intended for girls in India.
Baby talent show, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao siga mai lenena silam bahai tara mana silam base yam phai inkhale iba ngang jesu takpi tambiba ari moi talent show moi na kari khange na khangja budugi matakta kari tambiba yai haibdi angang ngi dagi moi da nupi masa singje haibdi namdhara ga leram base mai na tawi sem na phi thai phai tara ka matam da nupi po ki type ta nupi po di lan challe na khanaram bado khana danaba awareness program ko mani haitare
hanagi wakhalo nupi nupa khena bagi nupi ne hantana yeng bagi adigi atopagi medal ni atopagi kaino ni burden oi khotli haibena india da koi dowry system su leibani na ko nan thokna ba ahong ba ama purak na ba koi bu samaj sida hena maru oi makoi bu da education phasana education piraba adigi makoi bu kan biraba haidi pokting da hatopi kopi ba si tawbidaba oirboidi men empowerment se oibangam gani.
A.R. Sharma, retired Manipur Finance Service, MFS, released his compiled book on astrology titled Know Yourself, Your Future at Manipur Press Club today. Dr. R.K. Nimai, retired IAS, Professor W. Vishwanath, K. Radhakumar, and many eminent persons attended the event. The book is published by Sharma Publications. A website called www.sharmaastro.com was also launched on the occasion. Teknopol MLA D. Korunthang released a Lanu Film Productions' second IMOL feature film named Adik Lamkai today. Renowned Manipuri film actress Bala and IMOL artist C.H. Papa and Tennyson are in the lead roles of the film. Speaking in the event held at TRI Hall in Chikmerong, MLA Korunthang urged everyone to be punctual in planning or organizing any event. Youths of Salai 7 Association Jim Kairao Bitra along with Kairao Emily Laurembam Rameshwar carried out a cleanliness drive for setting up a gym at Kairao Bitra on the occasion of the 80th Nupilal Day today. Speaking on the sidelines, Emily Rameshwar said that the cleanliness drive aimed to motivate the youths to build a clean and healthy society free from drugs menace. He assured that the 3-kilometer stretch of road leading to Kairao Bitra village will be blacktopped under the Public Works Department by June-July next year. He also said that tree plantation drives will be carried out in the constituency as measures to combat global warming. Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal also held a one-day free health camp at Sinakaitel village in Ukhrul district today. Gynae ENT surgery, ortho, pediatric, eye and skin tests were conducted and free medicines were provided at the camp. Glucose test was conducted for around 150 elderly persons at the camp. As a part of security measures taken up by District Police, Thoubal Police in connection with the proposed visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the state, a joint team of Commando Thoubal and a team each of Thoubal Police Station and Women Police Station led by A. Kalendro, DSP Operations Thoubal under the supervision of SP Thoubal Dr. S. Ibomcha conducted house-to-house search at Thoubal Kiam Wangmataba today. The operation started from 3 p.m. and continued till 4:15 p.m. The team searched around 45 households and verified around 127 people, but no one was arrested during the drive. Thoubal District Police also carried out door-to-door search operations at Thoubal Haukha Maninglaikai from 5 a.m. till 6:10 a.m. today. The commando team, including women personnel, carried out the operation under the command of Thoubal District Police Deputy SP Commando K. Dhananjoy. Altogether, 125 households were verified during the drive, but no one was arrested. A combined team of Khongjom Police and Peoples for Animal have disrupted a cockfight event held in connection with a man's death anniversary. Impact News sources said that the cockfight was held on the death anniversary of one Moirangthem Nokul from Tentha Khongbal in Thoubal district. A combined team of Khongjom Police Station and Peoples for Animal led by SP Dr. S. Ibomcha seized 7 cocks and baskets used in the event. Thousands of people were present to witness the biggest cockfight event in Manipur. PFA has submitted a written complaint to Khongjom Police Station about the incident. Ritual ceremonies for deities Ibentho Pawoibi and Ibutho Akom Chamba were held at Nongpok Chingu Thong, Maitei Lekol on Langmaiching of Imphal East District today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief of Nongpok Chingu Thong Semgat Sagat Party H. Ulipa said that the ceremonies were performed to bring prosperities and abundance for Manipur in the new year ahead. Devotees offered seasonal fruit and vegetables to the deities on the occasion.
Kwegi Kanglei Lamdam asida haidi khunjaunaba leichaunaba adigi nungai yaifana mara ingna tapna panabgi dongta pangthokpani aduga phawaibi phakoron haiba laise masi panthogi silondagi ikhoina haidi thauniba masina maitei ikhoigi lining inat khubam mangdanaba maitei phurup kannaba aduna pangbiba siloni masimakna ikhoina maiteina ikhoigi lining masak khangdorini aduga ikhoigi laison masak khangdorini.
Take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur remembers historic Nupilal. Chief Minister N. Biren calls for another Nupilal movement to save Manipur society, especially men folks from drug abuse. Manipur women, including those around 90 years of age, commemorate Nupilal movement by participating in marathon on 80th Nupilal Day today. Federation of Haumi President Sapamcha Jadumani says non-Manipuris already residing in Manipur should get necessary permit to stay in the state under inner line permit system. Muslim Council Manipur President says there is no bifurcation of all Manipur Muslim organizations coordinating committee and SM Jalal is still Amokok President.